Hey, I'm Explained by Pengu, and I am here to explain to you how you can fix your sleep. Do you ever wake up feeling like a zombie, even after what felt like a full night? Stick with me for a few minutes and let's fix that penguin style. On average, most teens need about 9 hours of sleep. However, many barely reach 7 hours of sleep. That mismatch affects you more than you know, from mood to memory, even to reaction time. What causes bad sleep? Let's call out the sleep thieves. The most common one is late screens that push bedtime and keep your brain up. The second most common thief of sleep is caffeine, found in energy drinks, coffee, and even tea. Another common problem is staying up too long to do your homework. You see, bright light from screens, especially the bluish kind, can delay the brain's signal that it's time to get sleepy. The good thing is that most modern phones have red light filters these days, which you can easily set up. Okay, enough talking about problems, let's get to fixing. Here's Pengu's super sleep plan you can start tonight. Pick a realistic wake time for every day, yes, even weekends. Then back solve your bedtime. Consistency trains your body clock faster than any hack. Put your blue light screens away before bed and read a book instead. Skip energy drinks and late-day coffee or strong tea. Caffeine can nudge bedtime later and fragment sleep. And lastly, make the bedroom it should be, dark, cool, and quiet. Blackout curtains, a touch cooler on the thermostat, and either quiet or gentle sound to mask noise. Still tired? No worries. We'll keep building your sleep toolkit. And don't forget to hit subscribe to join the Penguin Squad.